Hi. Okay, this week we're going to do something new. Here is a tool that we have. It's called RefWorks. And what it is a place to send all of your articles that you find in various places, such as the different databases that we're going to look at, from a website, from the Find It tool, and in light of the fact that we will be doing an annotated bibliography toward the end of the semester for our final project, this tool can prove to be invaluable. You will be able to have everything there and more. I'll show you. You will have a link this week in Blackboard to take you to this page. This page has a 20-minute video I would like you to watch. It's got all of the different explanations and all of the functions that I'm not going to get into today in RefWorks. Here is the link to RefWorks. What you're going to do is create an account. Alright, so here is the create an account right here. You'll put your tech email in there. That's your authentication for using this tool because the university pays for it for access for everyone. Then you click on Next and go to Sign In, and you will be prompted to check your email. So you'll go ahead and do that. And you want to do that by going to mail.atu.edu. There's a shortcut in case you didn't know about it. This is the way you can get directly to your mail without going through OneTech and having to sign in twice. So it's being a little slow because I got so many screens open and I'm recording. So then you sign in, get your activation, and follow the steps. Create a password. The password you create is something you will have to keep in mind. You'll need to remember it's not attached to your tech username and password at this point. However, at some point it may be. So here's what, you won't have all these resources in yours, but here's what mine looks like. And I'm just going to show you quickly what this can do and why you want to do it. Here are a bunch of resources I've collected. I am going to click on this create bibliography that I got to from the quotation marks, and right now I'm just demonstrating for you what it will do. It just created my works cited. We are going to be using APA 6th, so you'll go ahead and change yours. This is later. For this week you're just going to be adding the resources that you find. Here's the advantage. Okay, we have the resources in alphabetical order with the hanging indent. Some things may need to be tweaked, like this is all in all caps. You'll see later I'll give you sources for checking your citations for exact proper format later. And you'll be able to work off of this form, copy it, and paste it into a Microsoft Word document later when you're all done collecting your resources that are going to go with the topics that you started working with last week. I had some time and I've graded many of them, and they are looking fantastic. I think we have a lot of good things here. So for the rest of the semester, we're going to be looking at places to find more resources, more authoritative resources, and how to put them together, and how to avoid plagiarizing, and how to create citations in APA. Okay, so let me show you a couple things. We're going to look at different databases this week. So what I'm going to do is go to A to Z databases, and I'm going to show you Academic Search Complete. This is a database that is multidisciplinary. It has 7,800 different peer-reviewed titles in it. I'm going to click on that one. So it's called Academic Search Complete. I would like for you to take keywords from your topic, from your working thesis statement or research question that you'll be using, and find something. So I'm doing I'm going to stick with global warming and polar bears just for the sake of showing you. And see, I'm going to the next box. That is because in a database, these words do different things. When I put and between the words, oops, I want polar bears, it tells the database that I only want results that have both of these words or phrases in them. So, global warming and polar bears, there are 217. I want a scholarly peer-reviewed journal. So I'm going to click that on the left-hand side. These are my filters, the same as in Find It. Okay, so here are my different articles. I am going to take a look at number 3. And this is discoverable in Find It. However, you're going right to a source with only journals in it. Okay, so here's my bibliographic information. These are the things that make up a citation. And it's got the authors, the name of the journal, an abstract. An abstract is a summary of the article so that you don't have to read the whole thing. Like this PDF is the entire full text, and you see that it's a scholarly journal just by looking at it because it has sections. It's very technical. And another thing you'll find with these is that they have resources as well. They list their references. So that could be a place for you in the future to find more resources. Okay, on the right-hand side are some tools, and when you hover on them, it tells you what you can do. Here is citation information. It says Cite, APA. If we didn't have RefWorks, we'd be more concerned about that. However, since we have a brand new RefWorks account, if I go to this piece of paper with the arrow, it's the Export button. Watch what happens here. I hit Export. I want Direct Export to RefWorks, and I click the Save button. We're using the new RefWorks. Just remember, new blue. You sign in, or if you're already just been signed in, import is complete. And here's my new resource that I just added. When I click on the resource, I get all of this information and I can edit it. And here's my link back. Not this, not find full text with SFX. I go down here to the URL, and this takes me directly back to my article. So RefWorks acts as a bookmarking tool as well as a citation maker. There are many advantages you'll see when you watch the RefWorks video. Alright, so this is how you get an article to RefWorks from EBSCO's Academic Search Complete. So Academic Search Complete is the name of the database. EBSCO is the company who makes it. One more thing I'd like to show you here, and that is the permalink. If I copy this address in the address bar, chances are likely that I will not be able to get back to it. That's because it keeps all kinds of search information in it. So when you get a link to send me to show me what your article is, you want to click this permalink. It's here with a chain link. You click on that, you copy it, and you paste it into the assignment. Either paste or Control V if you need to. So I'll have directions all spelled out for you. This week, basically what I want you to do is watch this video, which you've just done. You will create an account in RefWorks. You'll watch the RefWorks video. You will go to Academic Search Complete. We got there by going to the library website, which, by the way, there's a link to it on the left-hand sidebar in Blackboard. You go to A to Z databases. I'm just reviewing what we did. I click on that. I'm going to academic search complete. And that's how I got there. You'll notice that we have 270 something odd databases. I'm going to start you out just by showing you we're only going to deal with looking at academic search complete. Last week you used opposing viewpoints. It's a different kind of a database. It has less scholarly journals in it and is more for helping you to create a topic. So RefWorks, create your account, set it up for APA, find an article in Academic Search Complete. Now that I've shown you how to get there, export it from EBSCO to RefWorks. And then what I'd like you to do is take a screenshot. I'll give you a diagram of how you take a screenshot. I want the screenshot to include your name. And then that and the permanent link back to your article is what I'm requesting for now. Thank you.